What's happening, Raspberry Pi people? It's the average man here. Okay, today I'm going to be making the new Agobo robot from Fortronics. It's a little robot that's designed for the A plus. Let me just open this box here and show you what it's all about. Then what we're going to do, we can do a bit of a time lapse video of me building it. There's already assembly instructions on Fortronics website, so there's no point me showing you that. Okay, like the address, huh? What do we got? So we've got the main kind of thing. So the main thing, the chassis is actually the PCB. It's quite clever. So that A makes it a bit cheaper, and B, it makes it tiny as well. It's the A plus. Goes upside down, hooks into this part here, and you've got all sorts going here. You've got line sensors here. You've got some LEDs. You've got the switches. You've got a header for your ultrasonic. You've got the motors included as well. You've got the power at the back. You've got all sorts. It's packed. Prototyping area, you name it, it's on there. So that's that part. Got these guys, two little wheels, standard. This is the little ball caster that goes on the back. Comes with the battery. If you're buying it abroad, I think you don't get that because of the rules here. So I believe there's some kind of compensation for that part. So that's the battery. That's the bit that holds the battery. That'll all become clear a bit later on. And standoffs for the Pi as well. Now here's a couple of, that's the cable, ultra short cable for the battery. Here's a couple of extras you can buy that I've got with this one. This is the acrylic plate that kind of protects it, makes it look a bit snazzy. This is the one I'm going to be fitting. But this is an optional extra, and this is the plus plate PCB. It's quite clever. It's got a little NeoPixel there. It's basically a prototyping area, so you can add all sorts of stuff. So if you want to add more components or some chips or whatever it is you want to do, it's all on there for you, ready to go. It hooks up to the Pi as well. A little bit of soldering involved if you add that, but not too much. Okay, I've got a bit of a cold, guys, so sorry if you hear me sniffing. So let's chuckle that back in there. And what I'm going to do now, I've got my little screwdrivers and my trusty Stanley screwdriver there. I've got my A plus Pi, and I've also got an ultrasonic sensor that I had spare as well, so that's going to pop into the front. So here we go. I'll leave it there and let's build this thing. Okay, so that's my Agobo assembled. Everything's there. So this is the basic kit plus the acrylic plate option plus the ultrasonic sensor. So that would be, see, it's £24.95 for the main kit. The acrylic cover is an extra £2.50 as of today, and the ultrasonic sensor is £1.95. So you're not even going to hit £30 to get this. Obviously, you've got to add your own A plus and an SD card, but you even get things like the cable for the back of it as well. So overall, I think it was easy to assemble. This was a little bit tricky. Not difficult as in skill, just a little bit fiddly, so it takes a few tries. And also adding the kind of rubber washers there was a little bit tricky, but nothing that actually requires any major kind of maker skills, just a little bit of patience, I guess, is what you need there. So looking forward to using it. I'm going to have a little play with the code, see where I go, and then I'll put out another video then. Until next time, stay fruity, and check out the blog averagemanvsraspberrypi.com for more tutorials. Cheers.